That was Clayton, You Broke Into My Heart. Welcome to the Calmest Drive Show. My name is Thabo Mbete. I'm with Peter mfethu kunjani?
Ngiyaphila kunjani Tash?
Ngiyakwamukela bhuti wami kule Calmest Drive Show. Thalitha Khomi Radio mlaleli ekuteni naseduze la ukhona siyakwamukela kule Calmest Drive Show. Sithi keep it locked and keep it tight. Abasizinhlungweni abasebumnandini siyabamukela. Abasaphethwe izinhlungu zokushwa abathandayo sithi nabo thobekani inhliziyo. Peter
Tash.
Abahleli ekhaya abasilaleli labakhona bazibuza ukuthi ubani uPeter uqale nokudlala umusic. uPeter uthanda umusic kanjani? So sizwile itaste yakho uClayton You Broke Into My Heart. Lecolo likuthathaphi likumikisaphi usala usitshela kancane ukuthi wena usukaphi nomusic wakho kuzofika namhlanje la ukhona.
Okay, ngithanda ukubonga i-invite wena Tash ku Thalitha Khomi FM. Ngiqale ukudlala 2018 uqala ukudlala abantu music, but music nginesikhathi vele ngolo follower. Then ngabona ukuthi nami ngine potential why ngingathatha chance ukuthi ngidlale. Then it's whereby nga recognize uWanda Snipes walong inviter. Wathi ngizodlala ngeza wadlala nawe ya.
Then yaqala lapho.
Yaqala soya do. Yeah.
So 2018 ila uqala khona.
Kulapho ngiqala khona.
Manje nangoDalia. uDalia ubekaphi ukukhumbuzaphi kwenzakalani ngawe noDalia?
uDalia uthi tell me it's not over.
Kanti ba?
Yeah.
Mlaleli, that was uDalia, the Calmest Drive Show, Thalitha Khomi Radio. Uthi it's not over. Lekuculo uthi it's not over. It's not over kanjani? Kwenzakalani mfethu?
Indaba le culo leli wona Tash Phutami. Ngathi ngisezinhlungwini ngivulela igwalagwala ngeva uSweet Michael Cobela. And then ngisezinhlungwini lelo la ngalithatha ngalifaka enhlizweni nami.
Yeah.
Official nami ukuthi ngathanda ukuthi nami yengilidlale set wami.
Set wakho.
Amanye amala.
So liyagcugcuzela.
Liyagcugcuzela kakhulu bhuti wami.
Abalaleli manje la ekhaya abakhona bazibuza ukuthi uPeter masifuna ukumlalela sifuna ukumuzwa simthola phi set wakhe siwathola kanjani yena udlalaphi ngoba bakulalele manje ku the Calmest Drive Show. So bazibuza ukuthi le ndoda sithola phi udlala yipi crew kanjani.
Okay, uPeter mawufuna ukumazi ungaya ku Facebook uthokozani Peter Madonsela. Usually nginokuposta ama-post wami lapho ngibhuke khona. But anyway ngi-resident DJ yase Junction Lifestyle.
Thank you bhuti.
Yeah, the most vele ngithola kale Junction.
Junction.
Yeah.
Thank you baba. I commit to love. That was Howard Hewitt. I commit to love. It's time for our scripture reading of the day. We go to Psalms 133, a song of decrees of David. Behold, how good and how pleasant it is for brethren to dwell together in unity. It is like the precious ointment upon the head that ran down upon the bed, even Aaron's bed that went down to the skirts of his garments, as a dew of Hermon, and as a dew that descended upon the mountains of Zion. For there the Lord commanded the blessing, even life for everyone. Keep it locked and keep it tight. Here's Jeffrey Osborne. Mlaleli, we're nearing the end of our show. Sinaso isivakashi sethu Peter Madonsela. Sorry bro. Peter Madonsela. Umlayezo wokugcina ukuvalisa abalaleli lapha ekhaya laba khona abathobekile bathoba umusic wakho. Ishow yethu yokuthoba thina, the Calmest Drive Show. Siyathoba inhliziyo, siletha ubumnandi, sisule izinyembezi. Ishow yethu yenzelwe lokho baba. So kulabo abalalele abathotshiwe ichoice of music yakho abazwile ukuthi wena bakuthola njani. sicela umlayezo ukubavalelisa kuwe bro.
Okay, ngithanda ukubonga isikhathi senu balaleli emakhaya. Njengoba sekashilo ubhuti wami uThabo la ukuthi thina vele we do what we do best on soul and R&B. Ukuthi sithobe inhliziyo zabantu sihlale zi-right. Yeah. Bese ngithanda ukunivalelisa, may his great and light shine upon you.
Yeah.
And if he did it might take his time.
Yeah.
But he'll definitely come through for you.
Thank you.
That
this is the choice. That is my choice now.
Yes.
From your choice of music.
Yes.
Ciao ciao for now. I commit to love.
I'm 17 gents.